Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the Microsoft Edge keeps deleting saved passwords issue or problem on Edge. So let us dive into this and show you how you can fix it. So guys, there is a simple fix for that. All you need to do is access your browser settings here on Microsoft Edge by clicking on these three dots and by clicking into settings here. Inside your browser settings, head over to the profiles section on the left panel. And here in your profile settings, click into passwords at the bottom. After that, head over to password settings here on the left panel and scroll down a bit till you get to the password section and make sure that this feature below, offer to save passwords, is enabled. If that's not the case, guys, toggle it on here to the right. Additionally, guys, you may also head back to and click into passwords next. And after that, add a new password by clicking on that plus add button here. And simply enter the given password to the associated or for the associated website, page, account, and so on and so forth. And click on save here to save your password. And that should do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.